Breastfeeding a newborn can feel overwhelming at first, especially for new moms, but with the right guidance, it becomes a beautiful and natural bonding experience. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through how to breastfeed a newborn comfortably and confidently. First, let's start with preparation. Choose a quiet, relaxed place where you feel comfortable. Make sure your baby is awake and showing hunger cues like rooting, sucking on fingers, or turning their head toward your chest. Always wash your hands before feeding and ensure both you and your baby are calm. Next, focus on positioning. A good position is the foundation of successful breastfeeding. You can try the cradle hold, cross-cradle hold, football hold, or side-lying position. Bring your baby to your breast, not your breast to the baby. Your baby's head and body should be in a straight line, facing your chest, with their nose opposite your nipple. Now let's talk about latching. A proper latch is key to preventing pain and ensuring your baby gets enough milk. Gently touch your nipple to your baby's upper lip to encourage them to open their mouth wide. When the mouth opens wide like a yawn, bring your baby closer so they take not just the nipple, but also a good portion of the areola into their mouth. Their lips should be flanged outward, and their chin should touch your breast. During feeding, watch and listen. You may hear soft swallowing sounds, which means your baby is drinking milk. Breastfeeding should not be painful after the initial few seconds. If you feel pain, gently insert a clean finger into the corner of your baby's mouth to break the suction and try again. Let your baby feed on one breast until it feels softer, then offer the other breast. This ensures your baby gets both foremilk and hind milk, which are essential for growth and development. After feeding, help your baby burp by holding them upright against your shoulder or sitting them on your lap and gently patting their back. This helps release any trapped air and keeps your baby comfortable. Finally, trust yourself and your body. Breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby. With patience, practice, and support, it becomes easier every day. If you ever feel unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to a lactation consultant or healthcare provider. Breastfeeding is not just about nutrition, it's about comfort, bonding, and love. Take it one feed at a time, and remember, you're doing an amazing job.